Hello friends and welcome to my channel. This is my first video on YouTube. In this channel you will find English practice videos. Also I am gonna tell you how I used to do practice alone or without any partner. So stay tuned for amazing upcoming English practice videos. So friends, in this video I will tell you about my daily routine. So let's get started. So first of all, I wake up early at 6 p.m. Then I brush my teeth and get ready. After that, I have my coffee or tea. Then I go for morning walk. After I come back, I have my breakfast. Sometimes I eat poha or sometimes I eat sprouts in my breakfast. Then I got ready for my work. I go there at 11 a.m. There I have my lunch at 2 p.m. and at 5 p.m. I come back home. After coming home, I do rest for a while. Then I have my evening snacks. Then I watch TV for half an hour and I do some household work. Then I have my dinner at 8 p.m. After that, I read my favorite books and then I go to sleep. So friends, this was my daily routine. So I hope you all like this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching the video.